Like blah, blah, blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga, you just bought a shot. Come across me if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shots. Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot. Better have my money. Better have my money. Pay me what you want me. Better have my money. Better have my money. Pay me what you want me. Better have my money.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 to the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key and honest, rider. When I'm pulling up right beside you, pop star love Mariah. When I text get game wireless, throw a stack on the Bible. Never Snapchat or took college. She fall through plenty, her and all her guineas. Yeah, we at the top, though, right there off Duini. Yeah, oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Yeah, when I'm with my squad, I cannot do no wrong. Yeah, saucepan in the city, don't get misinformed. Yeah, they gon' pull up on you. Yeah, we gon' do some things you can't relate. Yeah, cause we from a place you cannot stay. Or you can't go, or I don't know. Or back the fuck up off me. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah.
Come on. Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something. Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl. Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe. Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back
like it's money I spent. Pay me back when you shake it again. The Don, all the time with all the shine. You small time, I ball with mine. Links, Minx, Bentley, Azor with mine. My jams bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it, blue spots with it. Every continent love when I spit it. Corners the blocks, even the cops feel it. Brothers on lockdown on they cot feel it. It's real in the field, the last Mohican who survived in the streets and did something decent. Now I got plans to buy the whole hood. Legit now, I ain't got a lot of no judge. I make hits now, money I flip now. Hood fella, every honey wanna kiss now. I lit up my neck, pinky and wrist now. So girls everywhere, this how we get down.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice.
Yeah.
Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again. Play to win, girls in the club moving. I get 'em real hot, my song seduce 'em. I flow, I'm so mysterious. Nas and Nasty's the alias. Everything platinum, I glow. Cadillac trucks pulling up to the door. On top, out the car, lounge at the bar. We spin 1,000, we wow, look how rowdy we are. I feel like $1 million. Feel me holler to the max with the Benz and chrome wheel and polish. Thugs and renters to the players and ballers. Sexy mamas, fly ladies, looking proper. Look good enough to be taken shopping. Earrings, bracelets, now you rocking. Your body's so nice that I give you this option. Let you wear my big chain if we get it poppin'.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again.
Shackles on your feet. I think you owe me something. Shackles on your feet.
I ain't gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you love the taste? Yeah, that's cool.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Yolissa Hair. You guys, I am obsessed with this look. Like, this to me is like the perfect type of like curl pattern because I like more of like a wave than I do like that really tight curl. And as you guys can see, like if I come up close, it's like more of like a really nice deep like water wave. Like that's what it's giving. So I did try to wait until the hair like dried a little bit before I came on camera and told you guys like my thoughts on the hair, because obviously, you know, all curly hair is beautiful when it's wet. So this is all of the hair up front, you guys. This unit is 250% density, and I really like how full this unit is, but it's not like overwhelming. It's not like too hot, because you know sometimes when you have units that are like very full, like they're just really hot, and this one is actually pretty light and airy, and I love that about it. And as it dries, you guys can really see curl pattern in the hair, which I absolutely love. So today, you guys, I used a new product on my hair that I never used before. So last night I went to Walmart, and while I was there, I was looking for just like random stuff for the house, and I came across this product. It's by the brand Aussie, or Aussie, I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is called the Miracle Coils. It's silicone-free conditioner. It says it has coconut butter and Australian macadamia nut oil. So this is actually, I guess, like a leave-in conditioner, but I used it like I would, you know, use a curl cream, and I like this. It smells amazing, and obviously, you know, it's gonna keep your hair moisturized. You don't have to worry about having like dry, crunchy hair, but I really like this product. I didn't even read like what it was. But they did have like a jar version, which I think is like the actual curl cream, and this is actually fairly inexpensive. I don't think I spent more than $5 for this, and this is like a really big size, 16 fluid ounces. If you guys are interested, you guys can pick this up at Walmart. I will also try to link this down below if it is available online. So this is a 13x6 unit. However, there is very minimal space, like most of the units that I have been reviewing lately on the sides. Like, it's just like 2 inches on the side and then 6 inches in the middle. And I do like the fact that on their website they're very transparent about that. They do show you pictures of the inside of the unit on the website, so you know what you're going to expect before you even get the unit. I do currently have this in 30 inches. I did review a unit not too long ago that was also curly, and it was 30 inches, so I'm sure you guys want to know how I feel about that one versus this one. And honestly, I feel like they're 2 completely different units. This one is more of a looser wave pattern than that one is, but I would say I like this one better because that one, I wore that on my trip when I went out of the country, and it was just a lot to deal with. Like, by the end of the trip, like, I just couldn't wait to take it off of my head because it was just so much hair, and it was just like that hair that just like you have to use a lot of product on to like weigh it down so that it doesn't get like really poofy, especially at the ends. However, this hair is not going to give you that type of issue, and I love that about it. So I would say I would choose this over that one. So yeah, like I said, this is also 30 inches. Here's where it's hitting me in the front. So you guys can see it is a lot of hair. Like I said, this is all of it up front. Back. So this is where it's at in the back. Turn around. So it's pretty long. Just bomb. I love it. But yeah, you guys, no cons for today's look. I absolutely love this unit, and I highly recommend it. I think this is another great summer pickup if you guys are interested in looking into some curly hair. I feel like this one is very low maintenance as far as curly hair is concerned, whereas like really tight jerry curly, that's what they usually call it, the jerry curly texture, that one is just too much for me in the summertime. I would save that hair for the winter time when it gets a little bit colder out and you want something that's gonna keep you warm. But I feel like this is more like, this is like more beach day type of hair, I feel like. So yeah, you guys, that about wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Yolissa Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful 13x6 30-inch unit. I absolutely love it, and if you love it as well, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all of the details on this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.